back, and we're going to CVS at 2 a.m. But I want to show you some deals we can do. Okay? I'm trying to go to see the weekly ad. That's what we want. I tried to record it the other way in the app, and it will not let me. So let's see if it lets me do it this way. Where's it at? Where you at, bud? Wait a minute. I don't think I'm in the right ad. No. Yeah, I am. Okay. And it is a freebie. Okay, guys. Right here. Remember this? There is $1 off digital. But you remember what coupon we use on that. It's the Defy. I mean the draft. Why did I say Defy? It's the draft. We do have a $2 in the PNG now. But I want you to use, if they let you, your expired $3. This is $4.99. Buy one, get $2 back. Yeah, that's awesome sauce. So, do your screenshot. Remember, the draft coupon of $3 or the $2 in the PNG. $3 from last month, $2 from this month. Okay? I'm going to show you a deal. This is going to be a freebie. If I can find it. I'm sure I can. Sorry about the noise in the background. I'm in the car. Well, where are you at? Come on. It should be right in here. Maybe it's up here. Well. Oh, we are in the wrong ad. That's why. It says weekly. This is the preview. Yeah, I need the other one. It's not going to show me the other one. You can buy the Sure deodorant, but this week this stuff is on sale too, that same way. So that's why I thought it was the same ad. Because right now, the scope is $4.99. But you can get the Sure deodorant I'm going to show you in the video, and it will be completely free. That's right, free. This is the right ad. I'm just not seeing it. So if you see the Sure deodorant, you know what I'm talking about. Well, that's his preview. Here's the one I want. Here it is. We got it, you guys. It took me a minute. Sorry, you guys. I'm so sorry. But I will show you the scope because it is still on sale. So it's going to be that one next week. Yay! Yeah, see, because this is still on there. So this is going to be that way next week too. Starting Sunday. Whoa. Why don't we just do some deals for Sunday? Okay. I don't know why I did that. Alright. Right there. Right there's the deal. I did this deal twice. I have 2 accounts. So I was able to do it 2 times. You can do it with each account that you have. You can get the Sure deodorant or the Burt deodorant. I don't know anyone that uses that deodorant, but I like the Sure. I really like it. So when we have this deal, I make sure I get my booty in there and get it. Okay. So now that I've showed you that deal, I want to show you another deal. And then we're going to jump right into the awesome video. I don't see Tide Simply on here. Tide Simply, where are you? Well, it's not on here, but they are on sale this week, you guys. For $3.49. With your CVS card. So you always have to type in your CVS card after you scan your paper coupons. Always do it after you scan your paper coupons. Hi, you guys. How are you? YouTube family and friends. This is CVS. Yes, yes, CVS. So, first deal we're going to do. I've got 2 accounts. This is how I did it. Buy 1, pay $2, and get back $2. It's a freebie. It's only till Saturday, tomorrow. So, let's go get these deals. Okay. So, here's the other deals I did. This is awesome sauce. I'm not going to tell you who. There's reasons. But I am going to tell you that this was sent to me by another YouTuber. I'm not going to mention their name because they may not want it out there. So, she bought 3. Boom. See this? This is an amazing deal. Wait till you see what I paid and wait till you see what coupon I used. Alright, here we go. First I'm going to show you the receipts for this, for the deodorant. Okay, right here. Okay, I used that $2 coupon, but I did not use the other one. Right here is that one. And there's my $2. Free deodorant, guys. You can't beat that. And I like it. It's not bad deodorant at all. And I was also wrong on this scenario. I did not buy... What did I buy? Oh, I bought... Wait a minute. Here's the coupon I used. That's right. None of the couponer used this coupon. Like I said, another YouTuber showed me it. Will not mention his or her name. Okay, now here is the receipt. I bought Tide Simply, Tide Simply, Tide Simply, Dawn, Dawn, Dawn. Now, here we go. I used, right there, $4, $4, $4, $4. There is a trick to this $4, okay? You will use 3 of these coupons in the beginning. 3 of them. At the end, when she gives you your subtotal, that's when you ring up another Dawn, okay? And you are able to use the 4th one. See? Number 4. I had a $3 CVS buck. I went ahead and used it. And my subtotal was 0. I paid 84 cents for 6 items. in the middle of a snowstorm. I went in the middle of a snowstorm at 2 a.m. to do these deals for you guys. That's right, I got stuck. But I used I do not have a shovel. I used my car scraper and got out. Okay? So, they did not have enough Dawn to keep doing this scenario. Okay? Now, I have gave some of the Dawn away. There's a few more in my car, but snow is too deep. I'm not running back out there right this minute. So what I did, I've got 6 more in the car, and here's what happened. I used the Dawn the same way again. Like I said, listen to what I'm telling you. You ring in 4 coupons at $4. 3 coupons at $3. At the end of that scenario, you're going to ring up another Dawn, just so, and then you're able to put in $4 more. Okay? That's what you do. See how that Dawn is last? That's because that was the last thing I rung up after she hit subtotal. She put the other coupons in before she put my account. Do not put your account in until the end. Yes, I did add that 4th coupon after my account was in because I rang up another Dawn. I only ring up 3 Tide and 2 Dawn in the beginning. Okay? Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put these all side to side here. And you're going to screenshot it this way. And then, after you screenshot that, I will put the other Dawn up. So, I'm going to let you screenshot it. And now remember, 3 coupons and the 4th one at the end. If you have trouble with the 4th one, just pay the difference because you're not paying very much anyway. And this sale goes on until tomorrow, which is Saturday, so you can go get these deals. Now, if you're out of Dawn, find the cheapest thing you can get that's a PNG that has these numbers, the first numbers. Okay? And I'll show you how I did it so you can do it when we ran out of Dawn. Alright? Now, go ahead and screenshot the other one. That's at the end. And make sure you put on the screenshot. At the end, add another Dawn. Okay? I want you guys to be able to get these deals, but as we speak, I'm showing you what works for me. I'm not telling you to go out and do these paper glitches. I'm just showing you what I did. Read your coupons for yourself. Do what makes you feel comfortable. Not what makes me feel comfortable, what makes you feel comfortable, okay? Now we're going to get into these deals. All right. Hold on just a second. Okay. Now, here's what I did. Okay, my camera shut off. Here's what I did. I did a Dawn, and I did an Unstoppable. Okay? Now, here's the receipt for that. Yes, I paid a little bit more. Oh, no, that was the card I did with that. Here. I used the card They're $2.99. I use these. You see that? There's the $4 coupon. I use the same coupon, guys. Right there. Take your screenshot. And these are the small down the Unstoppables. Alright? Now, all I did was one. You see the coupon was put in there for $4. Subtotal was $2.84. I paid $2.93. Now, I'm going to get another receipt. Let me show you. Okay, here's how I did this. We're going to do a Tide with bleach right here. And we're going to use a car vent. We don't have any Dawn. I've already bought it all. Okay? Here's the receipt. Dawn with bleach. 1 Febreze car vent clip. Right there. Used one $4 coupon. $2.48 is what I used. Okay? The other receipts must be out in the car. But then I used this and Dawn. Okay? I also did it that way. And this coupon was used. Right here, go ahead and do your screenshot. Go ahead and do your screenshot. I did that time. Okay. And then over here, go ahead and do your screenshot. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Now you see more back here. It's the same routine. That and that and that. Same one. Okay? Alright. Now, really all I got was laundry soap and Unstoppables, car fresheners, and Dawn in this transaction and all the on this run. In the middle of a snowstorm at, I think it was 2 a.m. I recorded it and told you guys what deals we were going to do on the other phone. So I'm going to put all that together, and this is going to be an amazing video. Alright? I love you guys to the moon and back. And yes, I am working on some 5 off 25s. I hope I get them posted, but we will see. I really don't have anything else to do tonight. So why not? Why not? I love you guys to the moon and back. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube family and friends.